The choke duo is back again. This time, we're gonna go for it a second time on Domination Cove, and hopefully we don't choke literally 13 times a second. So let's see how it goes. I feel like I'm a good pub star. Never mind, there's 6 of them on the rep side. I'm gonna use a Peacekeeper, just because a Peacekeeper is god in pubs. Alright, Ambient. Let's do it.
Securing B.
Let's not be the choke duo.
Securing Bravo.
I like to play Claw. I used to play Claw in pubs and it helps so much. I'm about to make a video called the Claw Cam.
Losing C. B locked down. We've taken control.
I stopped shooting at him.
Charlie.
No, I didn't.
We've lost control.
Hop A, guys.
Securing Alpha.
Alright, you're salty.
Bravo. A locked down.
Get away, teammates. Oh my god, I want off my VSAT. 1 or 2. Oh, shit. 1.5 off it. Hop B, hop B, hop B, hop B, hop it. Just lay down on it.
Bravo secure.
I'm 1 off my VSAT, Ambient. Help. It's probably not. Get away, get away, get away. It's probably not the best reloading round with Type 25. I mean, it was probably the best reloading round with Peacekeeper. I got it. There's one behind us.
Orbital VSAT on standby.
They're all spawning here. I got killed. Oh, I got 2 shot by an LMG target finder. Literally. Oh my god. Ambient, calm down. We're not choking this again. I'm tired of it. Are you halfway there? Are you living on a prayer?
Securing C.
Will you take my hand and bring me anywhere?
All flags secured. Maintain current posture.
You know what, man? You're
Stealth
disrespectful.
chopper inbound.
Is that your stealth chopper?
Losing Alpha.
He's behind me, help, 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 help. Hop A, hold up, wait for me, wait for me. No!
All flags secured.
No!
Current posture. Losing Bravo.
Did you get the point for that? I'm halfway to my VSAT.
Losing C.
Are you serious? You're gonna play me like that?
Losing Charlie. Losing C.
I can't believe you just disrespect me like that, dude.
Friendly orbital VSAT on.
Okay. There's only 2 people in. That's helpful. Come on, people, join.
Losing Charlie.
Join, I say. I'm off my VSAT, even though it's so useless. Why isn't everyone joining?
Losing Charlie.
I got my VSAT. I don't think we're gonna choke it this time, my dude. I'm so stunned, dude. Where are they coming from? Why isn't anyone joining?
Losing Alpha.
I need help. He's 1 shot.
Ambient, I'm weak too.
Losing A.
They're on A. I took mine!
Good job, agents.
No.
Ready for the
Oh.
No.
Look at this.
No. 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 No.
Dominate.
No, 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 no.
I won't call him in. I won't call him in.
No.
Secure objective.
No.
Securing Alpha.
You're gonna have to keep redoing the video.
No. People join. People join.
The advantage. Enemy took Charlie.
Close for about one on my chin.
Locked down.
Feed me.
I got jump shot quick.
It's okay. You've already got your swarm. It's up to me. Get your VSAT. Be useful.
Be advised. Swarm inbound.
Why would you call it in? Now they're all gonna leave, dude.
Securing
I didn't call it in. That's not mine.
Oh my god.
all flags.
I want off my VSAT.
Current posture.
See, whoever called that in, you're a terrible person. And I hope you get spit in your soup. Dude! Join!
Orbital VSAT online. Warthog inbound.
I got my VSAT.
Orbital VSAT on stage.
People are joining, yes! They're all joining, yes, perfect! We gotta kill them.
Orbital VSAT.
Dude, it's up to me not to choke.
Orbital VSAT online.
Dude, I keep on getting stunned.
Inbound. Losing Charlie. Mission almost complete.
They're spawning on me, they're spawning on me.
Losing Alpha.
Literally all four of them spawn on me, dude.
K9 unit on standby.
I got it! We got it!
Swarm on standby.
Swarm duo.
Be advised.
We did it, Ambient. We did it.
K9 unit in your AO.
We did it.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
I'm not as emotional. I'm pretty emotional, but not as emotional.
UAV inbound.
We did it. We did it. We did it. I'm with the boss in the lobby. More than Ambient. More than the other guy.
Orbital.
I can't call my shit in.
I can. Yeah, let's go. Swarm duo. I can't believe we choked that last one. On the second try, it's not that bad, but that first game was unbelievable how bad we were. Alright. I thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the Swarm duo, not the choke duo. It's been Carbon. Have a great day. Bye.
Later, guys.